English for daily use. Common usage of take in daily use. Take a bath. Take a bus. Take a rest. Take care. And take a look. Take a bath. I always take a bath before going to bed. I take a bath almost every day. Go take a bath. You stink. How many times do you take a bath in a day? I take a bath twice a day, morning and night. I've had such a tiring day. I just want to take a bath and go to bed. Take a bus. They take a bus to work in morning. Let's take a bus. Taxi is expensive. We take a bus to the downtown bus station first, and then we walk to the cinema. My brother doesn't want to take a bus to school. He always walks there. Taking a bus during the peak hours is stressful. My grandma is 80 years old. She can't take a bus to go to the clinic. Take a rest. You look tired. Why don't you take a rest? We took a rest after shopping all afternoon. Let's take a rest for a while. The doctor told her that she should take a rest. After a long walk, we sat down by the roadside to take a rest. I can't take a rest in the office. I'm busy like a bee. Take care. Take care of yourself. I will take care of you until I die. I'm 21. I can take care of myself. Always treat the parents with respect and take care of them. I can take care of your pets when you go for holiday. I promise I will take care of everything. Take a look. May I take a look? Take a look at the lesson 3 for exam. Take a look at these pictures. You look cute when you are young. Let's take a look at what is available. Please take a look at this proposal. I heard someone is knocking the door. I will go and take a look.